Angela, his roof is leaking water.
Yeah, it sucks, guys.
September 10th, 2024, Hurricane Francis is on the way.
Francine.
Hurricane Francine is on the way. We're going up into the attic. Spence said this is gonna take a while.
Yeah, you're gonna be struggling.
But he doesn't know that I don't believe in struggling, actually. Dude, it's dark in here. Oh my God. Just poking my head in. So right here, like, the water is accumulating. You should have this curiosity for life. You want to go where you want to go, see what you want to see, do what you want to do. Splash in the water when you want to splash in the water. What's the question?
I want all that out.
All of what?
That and that.
Are you pointing at me? Yo, all right, I'm out of here then. All right, stay safe in the storm, okay?
No, we're almost finished with that.
All right. We're doing Rosh Hashanah here at my friend's house. These are the hosts. Say hi.
What do you have to say?
Be yourself.
I'm really. Remy says be yourself. Spending time together, spreading love, and I'm really grateful for that.
And what's your New Year's resolution?
My New Year's resolution is to not be so hard on myself.
I'm grateful for all the people that are at this dinner and for the awesome food.
What's your New Year's resolution?
I don't have any, just to keep living life to the fullest.
Kenny?
It's just to be happy the way I am right now.
Be a better person, I guess.
That's a good one. Yo, we ready for Halloween weekend? We got the fentanyl test strip and Narcan, so we good to go.
When them guys outside, little bitch, you better be ready. When the stars around, little bitch, you better be ready. I wanna take my time, little bitch, you know I'm ready. I want it right now, little bitch, you know I'm ready. I play the same color as cranberry. You come around by my gang, it's Hail Mary. Them niggas not no dogs, they some fairies. I'm playing with them birds like on lyrics.
No, keep going.
I'm a yak.
2 weeks later.
The journey thing.
I can't remember what I said. Oh, it's like he's a grinder. He enjoyed the journey, not the results.
Yep.
We all love KFC.
Yep. Oh yeah. Mama made a mystery dessert. These are all of them, right?
Wait. Okay, would you rather shit a pineapple or be a grape?
Shit, a pineapple. Okay, it's also different because we have different anatomy.
Women are probably more capable of assholes more to digging into right now. Cute.
My butt is super wet. That's Thanksgiving if I've ever had Thanksgiving. You're so racist. If my biggest struggle
My biggest struggle is to test that tomorrow, then I am going to be worse.
We're blessed. Yo, Mark, don't think I forgot about you. Gabe, I know you wish you had this eyeball right now.
Love and happiness.